Hello, Mr. Paul. I understand that Mr. George is feeling unwell. Can you describe his symptoms?
He's been complaining of chest pain and shortness of breath. It started a few hours ago.
Have you noticed any other symptoms, such as dizziness or nausea?
Yes, he's been feeling a little dizzy and lightheaded.
Can you rate the pain on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is the least painful and 10 is the worst?
It's about a 7.
We'll need to assess Mr. George's vital signs and determine the cause of his symptoms. Can you provide me with any information about his medical history?
He has a history of heart disease and high blood pressure. He's taking medication for both conditions.
Thank you for the information. We'll need to evaluate Mr. George's condition and decide if he needs to be admitted to the hospital.
Thank you for reaching out. I understand you're concerned about your child. Mihira, it's completely natural to be worried when they're not feeling their best. Based on the information we have, I want to reassure you that Sam's general well-being appears to be stable. He is active and alert, which are excellent signs. There are no indications of a serious injury, and from a clinical perspective, his condition is unlikely to be a major cause for concern at this time. We will, of course, continue to monitor his progress closely to ensure he is on the path to recovery. I recommend that you keep a close eye on Sam over the next few hours. Pay attention to any changes in his behavior, such as a sudden increase in irritability, unusual drowsiness, or a lack of interest in his usual activities. Also, it's important to monitor his symptoms. If the symptoms were to worsen or if any new symptoms were to develop, please do not hesitate to contact us.